Oh, hello. It's me again. Photos by Nate. Today we are at Seiberling Nature Realm in Sand Run Park, part of the Summit County Metro Parks. My car just told me that my door's open. Yeah, no kidding, Sherlock. I think it's open. But anyways, we're going to put my camera together here. Going to get some photos of the nature places. There's a beaver here in the lake, so maybe I'll get a picture of a beaver. But yeah, so stand by for more pictures, I guess. Photos by I'm looking for my phone all over the place, only to realize that, yeah, you dummy, what do you think I'm recording with anyways here? So here we go. No beavers. Got some pictures of some other plants. I'm gonna walk around to the left here down to the bridge and see what's down here to see. All right, to be continued. It's a wonderful morning. The weather's perfect. The sun is shining just right at the right angle. The birds are active. Chipmunks flying all over the place. So should have some good pictures here that I think we'll be able to get. This place is thick with chipmunks, like really thick. It's kind of cool. Getting some bad lens flare on this iPhone camera, probably because my lens is a little smudgy, but what can you do? Hello there, Mr. Duck. So there's really not too much. No beavers. Did see some things. Got some pictures. This is a really nice little park to walk around. I do photos here too for prom, and I've done prom and some other pictures, and homecoming a couple times. It gets busy here on homecoming. This place is packed, as you can tell. We're in the arboretum section, and the trees are pretty nice. So I think this will be a relatively short one. Just wanted to get out for a couple hours this morning. Took the day off. It's a holiday for the kids. They don't have school, so I'm gonna get back there and see what they want to do today. But I completely guarantee you they are still sleeping. So anyways, as always, thanks for watching. Hit the buttons, like or subscribe, and all that stuff. Thank you for coming to my walkabout. Are you still here? That's good. Well, thanks for watching my face for this long. Goodbye.